we have the Power Craze Soul Desert. So in the box you'll find, well, don't eat it. It's not candy, not good for you. But you do find this little pack here with a USB charger, a little Phillips head screwdriver, and I'm not sure what these little plastic pieces are. Maybe for the body, that might be. They kind of look like they're for the body there. Instruction manual right here. So here is the controller, non-proportional steering. You hear the clicking, but we do have proportional throttle. On the top here, we have the on and off switch and a low speed and high speed switch. Here on the front of the controller, this little dial here is your throttle trim, but this does require 2 AA batteries. Now in the box they claim it has 4x4 suspension. So I'm assuming they mean 4-wheel suspension. Well, on the back, if you look in there, there is a spring, and then it does kind of flex a little bit there. So there is suspension on the rear, but on the front, other than the plastic like flexing on the 2 arms there's no suspension. I don't see any springs or anything in there. On the bottom right there, you see your trim. Battery plug right there for the USB charger. Plug that in and plug into any USB device to charge this up. It comes with a 3.7 volt, 90 milliamp hour LiPo battery. But there's your on and off switch. We get a red LED lighting up saying that it is turned on, and then we do have 2 front LED headlights. But enough about this, let's get this thing out and just see how good it is, see if it really is as fast as they claim. The Power Craze Shift 24 was really good, probably the best 124 scale you can buy for like a little over $20. Now this is under $20. Walmart has it for sale for 14 bucks. So I mean, let's see if it's worth that 14 bucks. I have a feeling it is. So we got the Power Craze Soul Desert all charged up. We'll turn it on right there. Got the bright LEDs shining, and then we'll turn the controller on, and it does have a low and a high speed, so let's see if we can hear a difference. Oh yeah, when you flip it to high, you can definitely tell a difference. So let's rip this around here. I apologize if there is wind noise because it is kind of windy, but we do have proportional throttle, so let's just play around with that for a little bit. Okay, but we have non-proportional steering, so all or nothing. So right now we're in the low rate, and it moves pretty good even in the low rate. Very controllable. It is 2-wheel drive, so I would probably just run this on the pavement. These little 1/32 scale vehicles just are not good to run anywhere other than concrete or pavement or anything like that. But let's flip this to the high rate and see how much faster. Oh, yeah, this definitely picks up speed when you put it in the high rate. Oh. They claim that it can go up to like 17 miles an hour. And well, I don't know. I don't have a GPS on it, but it's pretty quick. I don't know how they get the numbers for the miles per hour. Usually it's never as high as they say on the box. So it does bounce around a lot in the front, but that is because, well, they said 4x4 suspension. Usually these 1/32 scales that don't have suspension in the front, they do kind of hop around on the front, and I do see that. There, I just hit, I don't even know what I hit.
So as I mentioned, Walmart sells this for like 14 bucks, but for that price, this is definitely worth it. Yeah, the LEDs on the front there. It's pretty quick. You get the proportional throttle, which is pretty good. All right, so enough back and forth here. Come over here. I'm so glad all the snow finally melted, but we have a little bit left. Let's see if this little thing can ramp off of it. Nice. Come on. Oh, right there's a nice little lip. That's where I've been trying to hit. Oh. I think I'm gonna stay here, play around on this little snowbank here. And lands it on the wheels. Oh man, this just needs to be a little bit bigger. Oh, who would have thought a little snow pile would be so much fun? So there you got to see a little bit of a run video of the Power Craze Soul Desert, and definitely not a bad buy for 14 bucks. I think anybody could have fun with this. It's pretty quick, especially in the high rate. The low rate's not too slow as well. Definitely worth the money.
Very cool little 1/32 scale buggy. And the battery life on this thing lasted well over 10 minutes. And it still was not showing any signs of the battery getting weak when I got done filming this. So 10 minutes is at least the runtime on this. But I couldn't believe that it actually went through the grass. I would not recommend driving it through the grass just because that 10-minute battery life will not be 10 minutes. But I am gonna put this in for the March giveaway. Now I have other RCs that I feature on the channel for the month of March, but I only give one of them away. So if you want this to be the giveaway for March, then go ahead and smack the like button, because the like button is your vote for which RC you want to be the giveaway for that month. At the end of the month, the RC with the most likes will be the giveaway. And then to enter the giveaway, it's just comment. You have to be a subscriber from the US to be eligible to win, but your comment down below is your entry. And then at the end of the month, I'm gonna find out which RC had the most likes, and then I'm only picking comments out of the RC that has the most likes on. So you better get a comment in on this one and all the other ones, because nobody knows at the end of the month which one's gonna have the most likes. So I would get an entry in, so that way you are entered in for whichever one is the giveaway for the month. On April 1st, I'm gonna do a live drawing, and then that's when I announce which RC got the most likes, and then I'll also pick the subscriber that wins the giveaway. So good luck to everybody who enters. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.